Hello. This is another game I have called Kerbal Space Program, and it is actually really fun. I'm gonna actually start out with a new one. Let's do career, and actually let's start out with a KW flag 3. KW is it's KW rocketry. I have a few mods on here. I don't know specifically what they are. Like the KW adds that. I have no idea what anything else is. This is new. Down here. That thing. Speed it up a little bit. Because we want it daytime. Right now, at least. But, anyways. Let's make it morning. Okay, so, okay. Close. Let's build a rocket. Does this sound weird? Test. Check, test. I don't know. But anyways, sorry about that. Might actually cut that out of the video. Anyways. Yeah, I say that a lot. So we're gonna take this. Smack it on there. Bloop. We have no control. We have some structures, but why would we use that so far? We have a parachute, which will help later on. We have this thing, which is good. Communitron. Let's post these everywhere. Boop. And then let's... Okay. Now I think we are actually ready to launch. Let's name it... Bob. And then actually we're going to save that. We're going to save that. And then... Oh, dang it. Load. Cancel. Dang it. Okay, you know what? This. Add that like that. Don't need that. We're going to need a parachute, like I said earlier. It just sticks right on there. This thing's fun. Communications. You don't... Is this a Communitron? Yeah. Communitron 16. You don't need it, but it helps. We're going to save that. Then we are going to exit, and then we're gonna get some new people. We're gonna get some recruits from here. Now I know it seems kind of weird how they have courage and stupidity. I don't fully understand that yet, but I understand, like, you want the smart people and the courageous. You want the smartest and the most courageous to fly your spaceship, I guess. Like him, you don't want. Let's take him, Alan Kerman, because he has a lot of courage. It really doesn't matter. It seriously doesn't matter, but, if you hear any clinging, like this, I'm just messing around with the little something that came off my flashlight. And so, okay. Now, down here, there's a throttle. Then we're not gonna want our parachute to launch at the same time as our this thing. But right now we're going to do an EVA, which is this. This is the most precarious situation. Keep data. And then we are going to F. Now we're boarded inside the ship. Crew report. Your record crew assignments of the situation. There you go. Dang it. Revert flight. Revert to launch. Okay. We're gonna try that again. we're going to activate engine. This time, we're going to keep it down here, just in case. Now we're gonna do that. We're gonna fly this way. I'm gonna put on a little bit of some cheats, probably. There we go. Unbreakable joints, no crash damage, not infinite fuel. I will never return that on. But this stuff is fun, though. Or not unhack gravity. The whack a Kerbal. Watch this, ready? Mass, object size, speed. Oh crap. Infinite fuel! Please. We're gonna turn that on, our SAS, which pretty much just stabilizes everything and keeps it in place. We're gonna spin around. That's what we're gonna do. And so pretty much what I'm doing right now is waiting for this. Let's actually go this way. And right now, let's look on the Earth. I'm just trying to get into orbit. Not really. I'm just trying to move somewhere else. And so I can take a surface sample and everything like that. What the heck is MET? Oh. And then staging. Let's go back to staging. And then that's pretty much it. Besides this thing. You see it flashing. I'm pressing the middle mouse button. The scroll. I think this is probably a good enough. Yeah, see those things? Those are what I was talking about. You'll see in a bit. Yeah, see. Okay, I think here's a good place to land. Take this Alt F12 off. And then now we're slowing down. If you see down here, it tells our terminal velocity. This game has a lot of physics, and sometimes it's hard to keep track of. I'm going to get rid of the Wacka Kerbal. Wrong button. Hide Wacka Kerbal. Uh-oh. This is the ultimate showdown. Ultimate destiny. Good guys, bad guys, and explosions. As far as the eye can see. Right now we have no RCS. There we go. Now I'm going to speed up time itself with this button. You only want to go so far. Like, see right up the top up here? That's where, how far I am from base. Not how far I am from... Uh-oh. Okay, there's no more. So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to take a crew report. Save. Then I'm going to turn on my side. I just had to do that to turn on my side, and then let's roll. sorry. Well, oh yeah. So we took the crew report. Cancel. Now let's take an EVA. EVA report. Oh yeah, we sped up time, I forgot. Now take surface sample. Yup, looks like dirt. Let's hack gravity and see how far we can go. I want all the front flips. Unhack gravity. Get up. Get up. I said get up. Push it that way. Oops. Well, at least I got it away. Get up. Get up. Get up. Gotta find our spaceship. Actually, let's just go find the capsule. Oh yeah, it's setting up. So if it's setting up. Oh yeah, Kerbals are really funny. They look like this. Don't roll over my spaceship, please. Thank you. I don't know why I keep doing that. If I'm gonna make it anything, let's make it a cube. Make the object size 0.1. Now let's board, and then we can recover the vessel. And this is where everything gets fun, I guess. Okay, that was a really good flight because we got because we got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. Now, maybe wondering like what this all means. This is really the only thing you have to look at. 9.1 science. And so far I have 21 science. So what I can do with that is I can go in here and I can buy this thing and maybe one of these if I wanted to. I want to buy this one, but I don't have enough science. But we can buy that one. Okay, now what we can do is I think we have the other half of that vessel out there. Nope, we don't have anything else. And so I think what we can do now is we can make a bigger ship. Let's see what we have. I know, okay, let's totally restart everything. So we have our command pod, then let's move over to propulsion. Let's use this one. Actually, let's use that one instead. Let's use 2 of these. Actually, I said 2 of these. Yes, thank you. Sometimes the pieces get angry at you. Aerodynamics, no. Ooh, we got a stack decoupler finally. This is that's cool. I didn't know they had that. Anyways, let's use the globe and just stick that all around. like this. But the bad thing is we don't have a side stack decoupler or a decoupler on the side. But we now do have radial parachutes. So we can have one on the top and then two on the sides, and then we'll slow down even faster. But we don't want three of them. We only want two of them. Let's stick them right there. Actually, that's not a good idea. Let's just have one, and I'll stick it wherever I want. Hey, there's my flag. Cool. So let's stick one there, and one there, and then let's actually just, because let's have an oxygen container, water. Oh no, we want a water container. Oh, and a water container. So food, oxygen, and water. That's pretty much what we need. And then we're gonna stick 3 of these on here, because these are things. These are landing gear, and so if we can use these, you know what? Slap whatever we can on there. The landing gear help with landing, of course. Self-explanatory. But what really helps is the parachutes, because, but since they're back here and there's none in the front, we're going to be a little bit lopsided. And so really, this is our whole spaceship right there. This is just the propulsion. And so these are pretty good for what we have right now. And then these are just, this is part of a mod that I have. And then I think that's it besides this. Oh yeah, this thing is really, really cool. Stick just one of them. One of them right there. And then let's launch. Now we should be standing up by the time we launch because of the 3 of the big rockets. But, yeah, see right there? Those things, these ones. We're gonna launch. And we're going to go that way. T. And we're gonna have a lot more solid fuel or liquid fuel than we had earlier. That was close. We don't want to go down and be under this line. I'm gonna actually lower our fuel, and we're just gonna land over there. Or I could do this. No infinite fuel. I wanted to get all the way over there. We'll probably do another test thing, but other than that, let's lower legs. We want to lower that leg. Yeah, like I said, C will be a little bit lopsided. That's okay. And this thing is the Mr. Goo containment unit, and pretty much it just helps with getting science. The goo jiggles and wobbles as the craft flies. I think we're not gonna save that one actually. Reset goo canister. But as we fall into the water, I'm going to take another test, which I'm going to actually speed up time real quick. Only 200 meters. That's okay. Actually, what we're going to do after we fall into the water is right about now. Yeah, pretty close. But, yeah. Now in the water, we're going to observe the mystery goo. The goo wobbles around in the container and starts to seep out the holes. See, now we can keep that data and then transmitting it will be harder. But we're gonna control for me. We are now going to get out of the vessel for an EVA report from what's his face, from him. Then we're gonna get back in and do a crew report, and then keep data. And then we're going to get out one more time. See if we can take a surface sample. You've taken a sample of the water here. There's bits of vegetation in it. Suggests a strong likelihood that there's an island nearby. There's land nearby. We'll keep that. We'll grab onto that. We're gonna get back in, and then we're going to recover our vessel. And I think that'll be good for today. This is a really fun game. I really recommend it. But the only thing is, it's a little bit expensive. It's $20, something like that. But other than that, please like and subscribe. And I think that will be it. Thanks.